Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you guys 5 ways you can make money using Chatgpt. First and foremost, you need to understand how Chatgpt works. Chatgpt is a generative AI platform that can accomplish a variety of tasks. One of the main reasons it is so effective is because the chat box has the ability to maintain conversation, almost human-like language, which can be adapted to different scenarios such as explaining text, answering of your questions, assisting you with brainstorming, and packing innovations in the workplace. To use ChatGPT effectively, you don't need to be a tech person. You don't need to know about coding. You simply need to know how to feed it with the right information and the best prompts to get maximum results. If you want to turn ChatGPT into a tool that accelerates your career growth and simultaneously your pocket, then this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching it. So I'll be sharing with you 5 options to consider. Number 1, use ChatGPT to help you land a promotion or pay rise. You can use ChatGPT to aid you in pitching yourself to your employer for a promotion and consequently a pay rise. If you feel you deserve a step up the ladder, this is how to structure your thoughts or your accomplishments to date in a way that will persuade your employer. You can input your ideas and list your achievements in the application and ask ChatGPT to formulate a strong argument for you to present in your next performance review. You can also use it to assist you in other aspects of the process. For example, you can ask it to give you an outline for a presentation, suggest relevant skills necessary for your promotion, provide you with potential interview questions for the role you are pursuing, and also enhance your resume to make it for the leadership or management level you are going for. Additionally, you might also want to consider using ChatGPT to help you draft personalized, effective work correspondence or develop complex solutions that position you as a high performer in your role and industry. Like, this is very essential and desirable quality for an aspiring leader. Number 2, use ChatGPT to spark innovative business idea. ChatGPT is a useful tool to help you with brainstorming. If you are feeling at a loss and overwhelmed by your financial circumstances, particularly if you have taken a hit after being laid off, you can ask ChatGPT to suggest a range of innovative and unique business ideas, suited to your skills, expertise, and circumstances. You can also ask it to provide you with a project plan for all the actions you will need to take to start your side hustle or next major entrepreneurial venture, and a list of all the resources you are going to need for that business. Okay. Number 3, you can create passive income with ChatGPT's GPT store. The newly released GPT store has the ability to allow developers of custom GTPs the ability to earn passive income through monetizing their creations. All you need to do is follow OpenAI's guidelines, create a custom GPT that answers a need that should appeal to most individuals in your choosing market, and set the settings to everyone so it can become public. Number 4, build a product or service outside the GPT store. A fresh wave of startup has been popping everywhere over the past years thanks to ChatGPT and what has been termed the AI boom. This is because entrepreneurial thinkers have found unique ways to seize and capitalize on the opportunities afforded by ChatGPT and its underlying technology. Before the chatbot makers even launch the GPT store, get creative and think outside the box of ways you can fill a potential gap in the market using AI. You could even create a browser extension. Building a ChatGPT-based product has the potential to create a legacy and sustainable income for many years ahead. Last but not the least is content creation. ChatGPT can be an extremely helpful tool in reducing time and boosting creativity when developing content for purposes such as blogging, vlogging, sit down videos to create your content, even Instagram content, TikTok content. You can use ChatGPT to script your videos. You can also use it for self-promotional and marketing materials to establish one's personal brand. Even website copy, you can use ChatGPT for that. This helps attract potential customers to your personal brand and services, thus increasing your income. However, it is very essential to remember not to depend on ChatGPT to generate everything for you. Over-reliance can lead to your copy looking like every other AI generated content out there. This will make customers distrust you because you lack authenticity. Use AI to brainstorm ideas, suggest potential content outlines, and guide you in the writing process, but always ensure it is human-led and tweaked appropriately. So today, think about how you can apply ChatGPT to your career and work environment. Not only will you notice a large untapped career opportunities open to you, but you will be able to increase and multiply your salary. Okay, so these are the 5 tips that can help you make money using ChatGPT. I hope this video has been enlightening and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please ensure to like this video, share this video with other people, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.